Now I am on the right side of the cadaver and the head is this way. The feet are that way. This is the posterior superior iliac spine. It comes up here, and then this is the beginning of those back muscles. Comes here, and then this would be the extent of the latissimus dorsi. This is the best I've ever seen it, or been able to dissect it. I haven't been able to dissect it that well before. So it comes along here. Here's the lat, here's the lat, here's the lat, here's the lat, and it goes down to the crest right there. Now, the posterior superior iliac spine is approximately at the 4 there, if you can see the 4 centimeters, that's where the posterior superior iliac spine is. In fact, the tip of it is actually at 3. This muscle is about 5 centimeters lateral, 5 to 6 centimeters lateral. And then the lat insertion is about 4 centimeters. So I'd say a total of 10 centimeters from the spine is where you'd see this. Now we'll take an exact measurement in a little bit. Anyways, you'd have to go exactly around. So here's the middle of the spine, here's 6 centimeters right there. I'm going to now put this here, and boom, we get about 10 centimeters. Now that's just following that spine. I'm not talking about on this, on the adipose tissue. Just talking about a measurement in air, 10 centimeters across, and go straight down and look. That's where you're going to see the edge of the lat. The iliac crest is going here, going along here, 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 here. And it keeps going here, here, and here. This is about the peak of the iliac crest there. One thing I could probably do is measure the anterior superior iliac spine, and I could probably do that, but right now it's a much longer distance. I would say that this is at a between the medial third and the middle third, and then there's another part of the crest that goes over here, and then you go down there. Now there is this interesting layer of fascia here that's going across, and there's these fascial layers here, and then these fascial layers here, which went immediately up into here, and this thing that cruises along. And once again, if you got into this spot, you put your finger down there and you go up and you start feeling transverse processes all the way up, easily to here. So I'm going to guess that the triangle of Petit, which is small, is over here, but I'm going to guess that what they're actually doing is they're injecting into here. So this is the extent of the lat. And you go over here and boom, you get into this space right here, and it'd be thick. So I would say that if somebody felt a pop, a distinctive pop, it would be this stuff, because that's thick stuff. And then there's this whole group of muscles here, and then there's this kind of cavity here that goes way, way up. onto the lat. And medially speaking, if you got up towards the medial aspect of it, it goes way up, as high as it did on this one, which is the extent of the muscle, which we decided was at T12, 11, 9, 10, 11. So 12, 12, 11, 12, 11, 10, and maybe 9. So 9, so on this cadaver here, I have actually gone up, and I can keep going. I keep going because I think it gets under the trapezius. So I think that's potential space is an incredible space. And see, so 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I can reach all the way up to 5 by going up that space. So I think that's an incredible space. Okay, so now we'll look for the external oblique and see where that true little thing is. But I don't know where it is, but here's the extent of that 12th rib right there. And then the 11th rib goes beyond that, I think, over into that mess.